Tell us more about Dangwa. Hindi siya soap talaga, di ba? It's a mini series.
I don't really know how to describe it. It's hindi ko din alam yung proper term for it. Pero Dangwa is, it's like a compilation of love stories. Parang every week, there's going to be a featured love story. Tapos meron din yung kwento ni Rosa, which is kung paano siya napunta sa mundo. Ganon. So, madami talagang mga guests.
So ano siya? Different story every week? Or is it a
Yeah.
continuing story?
No, it's a different story every week. Parang si Rosa kasi kailangan niyang tulungan yung mga tao na makahanap ng true love. So, every week, iba yung matutulungan niya.
Oh, so parang kang matchmaker.
Yeah. So, every Monday to Friday, there's a different story. Like, merong kwento si Miguel tsaka Bianca about artista tsaka fan, love story. Tapos meron si Carla Avellana tsaka Rafael Rosel. Yung isa narcoleptic, yung isa insomniac. Yung mga story na gano'n. So, nakakatuwa kasi every week, iba-iba yung...
Kailan magsa-start to?
October 26.
That's next Monday already.
Talaga? Next
Oo.
month?
8? Ay, hindi pala. Ano nila 26? Monday.
Oh my God, lapit na pala.
Ay, hindi pa bukas. Next pa.
Next week.
Anong time slot?
11 a.m.
That's before
Morning siya.
That's before 8
It's
talaga.
before the show of Reza B.
The Princess and the Palace. And then we heard... Okay, first mo pala tong project na hindi kayo ni Elmo ang partner. How do you feel?
It's super nakakapanibago and it's a different experience. But it's not really, I don't really feel kasi like it's my show since iba-iba talaga yung guest. So, yun.
And you also have Lila with Enchong. Nag-shoot na, di ba?
Kaya tapos na kami
Tapos na.
mag-shooting actually, pero next year pa siya lalabas.
Ano naman, can you tell us about ano naman yan? It's an indie film, we know, pero anong plot na?
It's about this girl, Jess, na medyo nagka-problema sa family niya kaya umalis siya. Tapos napunta siya dito sa isang boarding house sa bahay ng lola. And then, weird things start happening. So medyo horror siya, na-suspense.
So wala kayong love angle ni Enchong?
No, magpinsan kami.
Magpinsan kayo. How is it working with... Is it your first time to work with someone from the other network? No?
I think so. Tsaka first movie ko din siya eh. Nakakatuwa kasi I wouldn't have worked with him any other way. So natutuwa ako na ako sa project na iba-iba yung...
Leading man?
Iba-iba yung kasama na like si Tita Sherry, yung isang lola, she's mostly in theater. So parang iba-iba yung background.
And then, wala pa siyang release date.
March pa.
March
Next
pa.
year pa for Sinang Manila.
You're also working for a film fest entry. True?
Yeah.
Is this for this year na film fest
Yeah,
entry?
Buy
Anong
Now,
movie to?
Die Later. Buy Now, Die Later. Yung horror. Medyo horror comedy.
Sino ang kasama mo dito?
Alex Gonzaga, Raver Cruz,
Mga taga-walang
Navarro.
network din.
My mom is in it. Tsaka si Sweet.
The taping's done.
Di pa tapos.
Di
Pero
pa.
nag-start na kami mag-shoot.
Horror comedy. Saan nagko-comedy ka dito?
Oo.
Kumusta naman?
Okay naman. Medyo komportable naman ako dahil nasanay ako kay Ikay. Tapos, yun, iba din yung experience kasi I get to work with my mom. Tsaka, mga artista din taga-ibang network. So, yun, parang bago din yung environment.
May ano sila, parang I'm not sure if may gusto lang ipatanong nung mga fans if yung status daw ni